Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a reminder bot on Slack. So first you have to open your Slack and then locate that specific conversation or message here. For example, I want to add a reminder to this specific person. So I have to go to the text box and then I'm going to tap on or type slash and then reminder, type add and then mention the person again. Let's just say I'm going to create a reminder for myself. So I have to tag myself right here and then type the reminder that you want. For example, a send a file or send a report, something like that. Everything is up to you. Just enter the reminder right here. You can also include the time. Everything is up to you. You can add attach a file right here. You can add emojis and so on. So basically, once you're done adding your reminder, then all you have to do is tap on this arrow or press enter. Then Slack will notify you that Slack will remind you or Slackbot will remind you at this very specific time on this reminder. Now you can also do this to a channel. So type slash again, reminder, type hashtag and then the name of the channel, and then type or enter the reminder right here, and also add a specific time. So everything is up to you. Now, once done, press enter or tap on the paper plane icon to send, and Slackbot will notify you that Slackbot will remind you at this very specific time. And that's how easy it is to add a reminder bot on Slack. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.